Hi, Mabel Detector here. Today we are at Morehead City beach, but there's like a bunch of dogs. So we have just let Mabel Detector, and we are going to show you all the things that we have found today. Come on. Now, all the things that we have found. We have found a bunch of sea glass and 2 pennies and 2 dimes. This one we found in a yard. These are all the things from the fish trap. This is a weird nail. I have no idea what kind of nail it is. We found a little bit of wire, and we found this little hose clamp. The best find pretty much was these 4 coins and a little pull tab, yeah. So I am surprised that we didn't find like so great stuff like a quarter or something, because I believe that like people will come down here, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today. But hey, look on YouTube and you can find all of my videos. Okay, thank you. Bye.